morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, ano bang date ngayon? June 13, Thursday, 7:12 in the morning. 7:12 in the morning. And ito ang bus na gagamitin natin ngayon mga Timbol Vlogs. Alisin muna natin sa pagkaka-charge. And tapos on muna natin. Okay. And buksan muna natin para ma-check natin lahat, pati mga ilaw mga Katimbol Vlogs. All good. Yeah. What's this? Oh, 95% only. So, gagamitin natin bus ngayon ay si bus number 5705 with registration plate number NQD 106. Registration will expire on July 14, 2024, next month. Exactly 32 days to renew. So, all good. Check lang natin dito is yung gulong at saka adjusters. Alright. Mga old damage. It's old damage. Also, tires are still good. Adjusters all good. And this one also good. One also damage, bump also damage, and the stairs are all good. Tires are all good. Okay. Tires all good, and fender is missing. Okay. And let's go inside. Check natin yung mga handrails kung naglulus ba. Check natin mga upuan kung may mga hindi ka nais na nakalagay. Baka may bump. So, all good. That concludes our bus check for the day. Paalam!